You missed the hurricane yesterday. They tied them. We brought 2 massive tractors out and tied the tents down to the tractors because it was brutal.
I was laughing because the wind was blowing so bad yesterday, and today I wanted to post. Well, it looks like hopefully 2020 blew on by. We had a little bump and a little hiccup with everybody, but I think other than that, I mean, we're staying positive and cranking and doing good. That's all you can do, right? Trees are losing their leaves. Porta potty just took a flip over on top of me. This is the porta potty. The porta potty that yesterday had 120-mile-an-hour winds. I tried to roll over to get off our sidewalk because it was getting shit everywhere, and then it flung back up in the air, and then all the blue shit right on top of me. See, nobody sees that shit. I always see the easy stuff. See, it was sitting there. It flung forward. So then I moved it and put it back down so it was off of this. And then it picked it up and slammed it again, and all the shit went all over. God. That sucks. You guys don't see that. I have to deal with that crap. Crap, right? This week I'm super excited because I got 3 D&Bs, which is, we usually have more than that, but this week I've got 3 basements coming in. Kitchen, bathroom, actually I got more than 3. And get to show people's floor plans and some good jobs coming in. We're even starting to get January all booked up, so that's even another plus there. We're getting some really good stuff coming.